which entails cutting it. These are just custom orders here, someone who's going to Disney that I want to put on here, but I wanted to make sure that they actually match. Hey y'all, welcome back to another vlog. It's your girl Jennifer, also known as TheJenniferMonique. Welcome back to a day in the life of a business owner. So listen y'all, I just got back from the store. I am super hot. It is so hot outside. I was in the store for like over an hour. I found a place here that the shirts are actually cheaper than me buying them almost at like wholesale prices. Like at first I was gonna buy like a whole bunch of wholesale shirts, but now I'm like, that's not right now cost effective, because I mean that's going to be inventory sitting here, even though yes I would have probably paid cheaper per shirt, but for all of it I would have paid more, and that would have been more income that's gone, that's just sitting there. So currently right now I'm just buying shirts based on the order, and right now that's working for me. I found it where I don't have to buy like full price. It is a place here that you can buy them that's way cheaper than whatever full price. But anywho, so I just got back from there, and then I picked up some shirts for her order, but also I picked up some shirts because I have I have these prints that I want to put on here, but I wanted to make sure that they actually match. So let me move this out the way. Let me grab them. So by this time the vlog comes out, oh, this blue is not gonna match it. These shirts probably already gonna be maybe released, but this is this one. They have this cute print here that I want to put on there. I'm trying to see if I like it together. I feel like the blue, or it's more blue than cream, so that shirt's not gonna work, but it's okay. I also got a cream one too, so. And then I have to actually make an order today to, the cream is cute though. On this cream color shirt, I don't know if y'all can see it. It may be a little bright, but yeah. I feel like the cream will be cute. So I'm thinking we may go with that cream. And then I'm also testing out different shirts. Oops, I have my labels made, but different shirts. So I have this one too, and I was gonna do this together. And it says, it was Jesus all along, my brain. But I also need to make, what I need to make? A shirt today. I need to make a handbag today, like a tote today. And then I wanted to, I need to make a shirt, a tote, am I gonna make two of those? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shirts today. I need to make 5 shirts today, 1 tote, and those are all for like orders. So far I need to make 5 shirts, 5 shirts, 1 tote, and I feel like I'm missing something. I don't think so, but 5 shirts, 1 tote, and then I need to test out, I need to figure out what I want to put the other transfers on before they release to the website. So that's what we're about to start doing. I think I'm gonna go ahead and print them out first before I turn my heat press on, because once I turn the heat press on it's gonna get hot in here. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and create the design. Well, I already have the design created, or print them out. But yeah, thank you guys for helping me work through what we need to get done today. So let's get started.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. If I don't get you, shawty, you bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one I down. Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Oh, I don't feel right when I dance alone. I don't feel right when you don't come home. I miss your body and I love you so. Baby, I do, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop
y'all, so it is definitely the next day. Y'all, I just got busy and just forgot I was recording. I'm not even gonna lie to you. But we ended up going to, where we go? We ended up going to lunch. And then after that, I just kind of got engulfed in like a side project just to break up work, if that makes sense, from the weekend. But I did finish my custom orders. I finished those shirts. I'll just put them here. I have them packaged here. I have them packaged up already. So I don't know if you can see this, but this is just the Keep Praying tote bag. And then these are just custom orders here. Someone who's going to Disney. So I ended up finishing those four shirts and getting them packaged up. Now I also finished this round of shirts. I don't know how good y'all can see it because it's really bright. Let me turn this down. So I ended up finishing this shirt here. Just as blessed on this kind of cream color shirt here. I think it's really cute. By the time this video come out, these should have launched. And then I end up making this one as well. It's just another cream color. This is a lighter shirt, but it was Jesus all along. This one's not gonna be on the website in red, but the customer wanted it in red, like exclusive. So this one right here is the one I had on yesterday, but in red. So this one's custom for them. I still need to make I need to heat press two shirts, and I need two more shirts I need to heat press today sometime. On top of I had an custom order put in for, needs to be done tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. So they end up ordering 2 custom shirts, so I need to I designed them this morning when I got home from the gym at like 7 o'clock. I designed them. So I already designed them. I just need to cut them out, and then I need to heat press them. Well, I need to go pick up the shirts because it was a different color shirt that I don't have in stock. So pick that shirt up, press those out, and package those. But also, it's currently 9:10. My phone's the word. It's 9:10 a.m. I gotta start working at 9:30. So that's not gonna get done before I start work. So what I'm gonna do, I'm probably just gonna order my shirts to be picked up. I think I have a white extra large shirt though. Hold on. I have the white extra large shirt, so that's perfect. I can end up heat pressing that on my lunch, and then, or yeah, maybe on my lunch, heat press those, and then go to the store and pick up the other one. But yeah, so that's what I have to do. I was supposed to end the vlog yesterday, but we just got busy. So I also need to put heat press my logo inside of these too. So we need to make a list of things that we need to do. So I have my handy dandy notepad here. It just has right here in the corner, it's purple, white. It just says, with God all things are possible. Has a scripture on there, really cute. Made this yesterday, so I'm loving my little notepad that I made, you know. But let me get over here because the office is a mess. See my pups right here. The pups blanket is right there. Like, those stuff is everywhere. But anyway, top priority. Number 1, we need to complete custom order. Need to complete the custom order, which entails cutting it, weeding it out, heat pressing it, adding our logo, and then packaging. Okay. Number 2, we need to add logo to shirts. The other shirts. 3, we need to heat press and add logo to the other 2 shirts. Yeah, that's what I want to get done today. Yesterday I had already, never mind my pup y'all, but yesterday also, I don't know if I told you guys, I ended up redoing the website. So we had the soft lunch this weekend. It wasn't as good as I wanted it to be, but that's fine. I didn't have any actual expectations for the soft lunch. like the soft lunch, I didn't get any, like, I didn't get what I wanted to from the soft lunch, but you know, I don't have a really big following at this time on my business page, so that's to be expected. But I did get a lot of, well, I got, yeah, three custom orders. One person ordered 6 shirts, so I got 6 shirts. Someone else I ordered 2 shirts, a tote bag, and then when I start making like some accessories, they want to have those. So I told them like my accessories that I'm going to make, I don't want to say them out loud yet, but whatever they are, they're going to, you know, make. It may not be till like September, honestly, just because I'm still like perfecting those, but they already pre-ordered that. And then someone else ordered 2 shirts, so you know, I may not got anything from like the soft opening, but I still got some orders in, so I'm grateful for that. But I just, you know, I kind of expected that from soft opening, but I ended up redoing my website because people did view, like the people who were on my email list. I'm growing my email list, but people who were on there, they did view it, so I was able to see that people were actually on the site. Like it got a lot of views. But I feel like some marketing may have been misconstrued there because of the site template that I had. It didn't show like the sale that was going on, so people may not have known that in the email, yes, it is the sale, but when you go to the website, it didn't portray that. So yeah, I don't, here's got a text message on my Amazon purchase. What? I didn't purchase anything. I need to check that out. So it didn't go as well, but anyway, I went ahead. So when people who viewed the site during the soft opening, when they go back, it's gonna look completely different. So that was the plan. I just kind of wanted like a plain website for when we did like the soft opening, and then when we do the grand opening this Wednesday, August 20th. I think it's the 20th. Yeah, August 20th. Those people, when they go back, they'll see like a brand new website. So that was the plan. But I'm trying to see what I have time to cut this order out before I start work. I'm trying to see. I may be able to do one if I hurry, but we'll see. If not, it's okay. It's really okay, Jennifer. It is okay. At least you got the design.
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull the drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix